very simple and easy to make, easy to follow. This is perfect for your special occasion like birthday.
Hi guys, welcome to our channel.
Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Chelan Febam NY here. In this video, we're gonna show you how to make a very simple balloon centerpiece, and it's easy to follow. The materials that we need are 5 inches latex balloon, 9 inches latex balloon. We have number balloon number 2, balloon string. We have air pump and also a water weight balloon filled with water. We'll put this in the bottom. So we inflate this. I inflate this to 7 inches. Make sure they're about the same size. So you need 4 of this. This, the bottom. We have this string right here. You connect it here. So make sure this is in between right here. It fills in the gap. Foil balloon number 2 is 16, size is 16 inches. Right here connected. Remember the weight on the bottom right there? So you just have to put this on here. And then just, wrap your string here. This is now done, and this is very simple and easy to make, easy to follow. This is perfect for your special occasion like birthday. You can choose any number and you can put this in a table centerpiece. If you want to add some decorations, it's up to you, but if you decided to put some flowers, you can put some here, add some decoration to make it more prettier. And here you go guys, here's your centerpiece. Guys, hope you like this video, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe and leave us some comments. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.